It's mommy. What's up, Ukers and Ukettes? Welcome back to another UPHi Uke vlog. Whoo, man, what a week. It's only Wednesday, and I've been through so much that I could not press the record button on my GoPro. So let me just give you a rundown of what happened. First, on Saturday, we had an amazing time at our gig, playing Christmas songs and island songs and some special treats for my coworkers at our Christmas party. That was awesome and such great fun. But that was only halfway through my 4-day long shift. I worked 4 days straight, no days off, and then I hit my days off finally yesterday and today, where I sat here at my computer working so hard on Mele Ukulele 2021, which is happening today as you're watching this video, or in the past Saturday. So please go back and watch it. Please go ahead and donate to the cause of what we're doing and helping 50 or so angels from the Salvation Angel Tree receive ukuleles this Christmas as they have wished for. I just got off an amazing meeting with the CEO of Ukulele Kids Club and a occupational therapist at Kaimohala, and we're talking about starting ukulele lessons there at Kaimohala, which I am so happy to start. It's going to be a big thing for me, a big thing for Ukulele Project Hawaii, and it's thanks to you, all the supporters, that I am allowed to do things like that. So right now it's midway through the day and we are about to get back on the road and got so much things to do, back to work, and just preparing for Mele Ukulele happening on Saturday or happening today. Whenever you're watching this, it's probably Mele Ukulele is done already. But stay tuned for more to come. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tune in for more. Yo ho ho, and check this out. I just picked up this sweet Aloha shirt from Walmart today. It's for a gig we got going on this weekend on Saturday, that the Guard, the Ohana, Hang Ohana, I guess, 2.0, the new and improved. Nah, it's the Hang Ohana. It's my work band that I play ukulele for, well, sometimes guitar and other things. But we have a gig this Saturday, so that's a shirt I'll be wearing. Pretty awesome. Oh, and another thing, went to Walmart, bought that shirt, and also bought 35 folders for the Keiki receiving ukuleles next week for their Angel Tree, Salvation Army Angel Tree program. So make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel so you guys can see that video of us giving away 35 ukuleles to the kids that ask for them this Christmas. Yahoo!